Yep, I'm recording. Right people, this is a one parcel post bag, and for those who can read upside down, and for those who can't, it comes from my friend Jace, DIY Tech Nut. So that makes two nuts. Well, one in Norfolk and one in Hereford. Right, let's see. I get the impression that green is his favourite colour. Right. I'll tell you one thing, it's well packed. But don't panic, you will see everything. So I'll do close-ups afterwards. Well, I'm slowly getting in there. I'm using a steak knife that Lisa's kindly lent me. Yeah, not Lisa's, by the way. Right. That's that. Okay, it says flex on the box. Right, let's see. It says flex on the other side too. All right, I'll open it up. God, blimey, you've got no patience, have you? Always shouting at me to get on. Ah, yes. He told me he was sending this bit. Oh. I thought he was actually going to say plank. But he's sent me a plank. Yeah, I'll show you all this close up later. Keyring with my name on it. Right. So that's that. So there's some 3D printer stuff. What have we got in here? We got. Oh, I know what I can do. Yeah, I'll put there's a, where's my finger, up here or over there. I'll put a picture of what they are. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Yes, Raymond, it would. Ooh, a hot end. I wish I did have a hot end. I know, behave myself. Oh, this is a Mark 8 extruder with mount bracket. If I knew what a Mark 8 extruder was with a mount bracket, I think I'd know what it was. Cool. Wow, this is a bit of alright. Very nice. Thank you very much, Jace. Right. Now why has Jace sent me this stuff? Because his CNC videos, I said to him, you give me a brilliant idea, I'm going to make a humongous 3D printing machine. And he said, I got some spare bits here that I'll send you, and you can use. GT2, well, something wrong with my worms today. Okay, what else have we got here? Right. Ooh, I know what these are, and they are gorgeous, because these are the ones I'm using now. 2 working boards. Now these are, excuse me if I don't say it right, Mousy boards or Nazi boards or, yeah. Just, whoops daisy, quite fell out. Okay, put that back down there. And cut the other one up. So I'm not going to unstick it in case anything else falls out. Right, as I said, I'll show you these up close and personal later. So I've got 2 working Maltzy boards there. And this one is board E-motor driver not working, has been reused for CNC router. Alright, well I happen to have some drivers for these Maltzy boards, so I should be able to reflow one onto it with the reflow center that Patrick sent me. Right, what else we got? Gonna get some more packing. Oh, auto level sensor, and it is the type I love. Right, so I'll show you that. What else we got here? We got thermistors. Excellent, nice long lead on it too. Brilliant. Okay, what we got here? Mark 8 parts. Right, we got nozzles. I know they're not nylon, but they look nylon. Tubes that go in the hot ends for the filament to go through before it reaches the nozzle. Brilliant, thank you very much indeed, Jace. And we've got a net heat block here. Excellent, because I'm on my last one. Yeah, I've used a couple. It got all clogged up and burned up and all the rest of it while I was learning. I learn by making mistakes. I don't learn by theory, I hate theory. And there's the empty box. Thank you very much indeed, Jace. Of course I'll need the box out so I can put it all back in. Won't I? Yes, I will, won't I? Okay. Right. Well, thank you to Lisa for the use of your knife. And I'll get all this ready for a video and stick it up on the net for you.
Yeah.
Thanks very much, Jace. Brilliant. And for everybody, Jace's channel link will be down in the bottom as usual. That's where I always put my... In other words, I'm talking too much. Drink my tea before it goes cold. Right. Yes, Lisa. No, Lisa. 3 bags full, Lisa. Excuse me, guys. And it's bloody lovely too. Right. There you go.